In this video, I will share with you how to find your Desjardins CVV code. So friends, if you want to find CVV on your card, all you have to do, get your Desjardins card or debit card. Get your debit card. For example, this is your debit card. Just flip your card on the back side. This is the back side of the Desjardins codes. This is your unique codes. This, just for example, you can find the CVV codes from here and then down here. So guys, on the right side on the stripe, you will see a 3-digit number on the right side, guys. This is on the right side. You can find your 3-digit card codes. So guys, this is how you can do. Just get your card, flip the card, you will find your DCG card. If you have any problem, you can contact the support team through this option chat. Just scroll down, you have support center, write your name, phone number and email address and click start, for example. And then for the live chat, write your I want to get my CVV code, my CVV card. So guys, this is how you can do. It is easy steps. If you have any question, down below in the comment and I will answer your question. Just go to contact us, and if you have any problem, you can reach the support team to get your codes. So thanks for watching this video.